Hello, dear students. I hope you will be fine, happy, and healthy today. Today we are going to begin presentation 15. 15 number presentation, page number 61, and unit 5, level 3. Irregular plurals. We will talk about irregular plural today. So some noun that end in FOFE have irregular plurals. In these noun, the FOFE changes to VES, and then they have given some example. For example, wife, vayus, knife, nayus, lope, loves, scarf, scars, thief, thieves, leap, leaves, wolf, wolves. But some noun which end on FOFE, they only add S. They don't, F doesn't change to V or V, F doesn't change to VES. जैसे roof, roofs, belief, beliefs, chef, chefs, cheap, cheaps. Similarly, they have written remember, child, children, men, men, woman, women, woman, women. Sentence number 1 say, oh no, the child has a knife. So then they have made this sentence into plural form. Children mustn't play with knives. And then in useful vocabulary, a thief means robber. Leaf mean patta. They have given the picture of the leaf. Wolf, wild animal like a dog. And fourth one, roof, top of the building. And chef, cook. Head cook को chef भी कहते हैं. So dear students, in this activity we are talking about irregular plural. Then now first of all we will talk what is plural. के plural या जमा क्या होता है. So we have written shortly, plural nouns denote more than one person or thing. And plural noun are those noun which denote more than one. If one, so that is singular, and plural shows more than one person or thing. When we are making plural from the singular, so there are different way. Among them, some are regular way, some are irregular way. So here today our discussion is about irregular. Regular we discussed in unit 1, level 1 as well. But anyhow, we will recapitulate it over here. So the first way, plural can be made through regular or irregular methods or way. So how to make the plural form, plural हमने कैसे बनाना है. So we will talk about that in this activity. So number first, we can make the plural how? By adding s to most of the noun. ज़्यादातर जब हम s लगा लेते हैं अक्सर noun के साथ, तो we make the plural. जैसे book, books, marker, markers, duster, duster, selling pen, selling pens, door, doors. So around a lot of nouns are around about 70, 80 or 90% noun we make a plural by adding s. And this is regular way. That is which way? Regular way. The second way is by adding es to the noun which end on ch, sh, o, x, s, etc. Sorry, these 5 words. When a noun end with ch, mean a noun end, the last letter of a noun or ch, sh, o, x, o, s, then we add es to make the plural noun. जैसे watch, watch, so ये ch पर ख़त्म होते हैं, so watches. जब हम when we make the plural form of watch, it is watches, right? Because it end with a ch, right? Dish, dishes, एक खाना और ज़्यादा खाने, dishes, right? Similarly mango, mangoes. Similarly box, boxes, box, boxes, right? And similarly class, classes. S या double s पर ख़त्म होते हैं, so we add es to make the plural form. And that one also come in the category of regular noun, because with the help of s or es we made it. The third way is by adding ies to the noun फिनिशिंग विद वाई, अगर कोई नाउन वाई पर ख़त्म होते हो तो इसके साथ आई ई एस लगाया जाता है एंड प्रीसीडेड बाय द कॉन्सोनेंट। और जब वाई यानी जब वाई पर कोई नाउन ख़त्म होता है और वाई से पहले कॉन्सोनेंट लफ्ज़ आया हो, वावल नहीं हो, तो फिर हम इस किस्म के नाउन को जब चेंज करते हैं तो वाई हटाकर वाई की जगह आई ई एस लगाया जाता है। रिमूव वाई, वाई को हटा लो, एंड एड आई ई एस। It means when a noun end with y and before y there is a consonant, so then we change y into ies, and in this way we make the plural form of it. For example, city. So यहाँ you know city end with y and before y there is t. T is consonant. So when we make the plural form of city, it is CIT and YIES को change होती है cities. इसी तरह स्टोरी, स्टोरीज, कंट्री, कंट्रीज, right? So many noun, this is the rules regulation that when a noun end with y and before y there is consonant word, so then we change y into ies and make the plural form of it. The fourth way is by adding VES to some noun finishing with FOFE, remove FOFV and add VES। यानी जब कोई नाउन F या FE पर ख़त्म होती हो तो F या FE हम रिमूव करते हैं और इसकी जगह VES लगा लेते हैं। ये तो हमने मिसालों में भी पढ़ लिया। In our today presentation they have given so many example, जैसे wife, वायूज, लाइफ एफ ई पर ख़त्म होती है, लायूज। इसी तरह अगर लीप में लिख लो, लीफ सिर्फ एफ पर ख़त्म होते हैं, सो लीव्स, एल ई ए और एफ फिर वी ई एस को चेंज होती है, लीप, लीव्स, एक पत्ता और ज़्यादा पत्ते, राइट। तो ये भी एक रूल्स है। लेकिन सम ऑफ द नाउन, बाय एडिंग वी एस टू सम ऑफ द नाउन, तमाम नाउन को नहीं। बाज़ नाउन ऐसे हैं जो एफ या एफ ई पर ख़त्म होते हैं और इसके साथ हम सिर्फ एस लगाकर उनके जमा बना लेते हैं, जैसे रूप, रूप्स, राइट, बिलीप एंड बिलीप्स, right? So some noun can't be changed in this way, but most of the noun change in this way. Yeah brother, the next way, pipe number is by adding inside vowel, by changing inside vowel। जब हम inside vowel change करते हैं, that is also called irregular noun, यानी गैर रेगुलर तरीके से नहीं बनती हैं, ये इरेगुलर है। और वी चेंज द इनसाइड, अंदरूनी वावल चेंज करते हैं, जैसे मैन और मेन, वमन और वेमेन, चाइल्ड और चिल्ड्रन, टूथ, टीथ, लाउज, लाइस, फूट, feet. So all these are through irregular way we can make the plural form. And another way is by adding s to the main word। बस कंपाउंड नाउन होते हैं, दो तीन हिस्से नाउन के होते हैं, तो जब हम इसके प्लूरल बनाते हैं तो एस मेन लफ्ज़ के साथ लगा लेते हैं, जैसे ब्रदर इन ला मीन एक बहनोई, ब्रदर इन ला, और अगर ज़्यादा हो तो ब्रदर्स इन ला, ला के बाद एस न लगाएंगे, ब्रदर के बाद ब्रदर्स इन ला, या fathers in law, sisters in law, right? So we add s to the main word in such situation, and in this way we can make the plural form. So dear students, try to learn these way. There are some other ways as well, inshallah we will discuss them later on, but today you should learn this 6 method how to make plural form. Here in the activity they have given make the plural of the sentences। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप जुमला से आप सिंगुलर में वे कहो और मैं प्लूरल में चेंज कर लूँगा। व्हाट्स द एग्जाम्पल? द मैन हैज़ अ नाइफ, सो दे हैव चेंज इन व्हाट वे? द मैन हैव नाइव्स। व्हाट्स द पास्ट सेंटेंस? गुड। सो द मैन वेंट टू द पार्टी विद देयर वाइव्स एंड चिल्ड्रन। द सेकंड वन? Good. The loaves of bread were very old. The third one? Good. In the winter, the women wear wool scarves. Fourth one? Good. The chefs used knives to cut the bread. 5 number. Good. The boys talked about the wolves they saw in the national park. 6. The thieves robbed a bank. 7 1. Yeah. In November, the last leaves fell from the tree. 8 number. Good. This winter we fixed the roofs on the houses. So in this way, you said the singular way and I changed into the plural way. You should try to do this exercise again and again in order to learn how to make a singular and plural form. I hope you will have learned this one. Try to share the videos in all your groups with your class fellows, friends and relatives. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.